All lodging on the south rim of Grand Canyon will be closed starting December 6, 2025 because of level 4 water restrictions due to multiple pipeline breaks. These images are from Pipe Creek Beach, but it's unclear if this is a break or simply releasing pressure for repairs elsewhere. What is clear is that no workers are anywhere apparent. The official timeline for reopening is until further notice. However, the Xanterra website says, quote, the restrictions are expected to impact overnight stays through Monday, December 8th, 2025, close quote. Phantom Ranch closed December 2nd and will remain closed until the water restrictions are lifted. Mather Campground remains open, but with water limited to the restrooms and restroom sinks and fires banned. 3 years into the $220 million pipeline repair, Park Lodging is closed due to water shortage only for the second time in history, and the locations of the breaks and the schedule for reopening are treated by the park as a closely guarded secret. Is Grand Canyon mismanaged? Events like this make you wonder.